Alright, today is June 26th, right? And what is this? Thursday already. Wow. And yeah, right here, I'm at Chunwahkam Noodle Factory, right on Pensacola Street, right here, right? And they got, yeah, pretty good amounts of parking space right here. Of course, I came after, like off hours. It's about 9:50 a.m. in the morning, and yep, here I am. So, and kind of looking around, right? So, then the street right there, Pensacola Street. Yeah. Wow. I was always, kind of semi-curious, see what it's like. And yeah, I've heard good things about this place, so figure why not? Yeah, and also many of the tourists, I dropped off over here too. Okay, so let's go take a look and see. All right. Okay. Wow. Okay. And is there? Okay. Oh, there's a seating area, so yeah, I can purchase, right? And there's food, right? And okay, so how does this work? Right? And hi. So yeah, first time here. How does it work?
We have manapuas, pork hash,
Oh, you don't have.
minis, as in multiple flavors of the manapuas.
Uh-huh.
And
What?
so our regular one is char siu manapua.
Oh, like a plate lunch.
Yeah, we also have plates and
Okay.
bowls.
Okay, so we select and then we pay and then we go eat there. Okay. So do I tell you now or do I just go?
Just tell me.
Huh?
You can just tell me now.
Oh, okay. I don't know what I want. I gotta go look.
Just take a look around.
Yeah. Okay. So there's Hong Kong chow mein, chow fun, chow mein, shoyu udon, fried salmon. Wow. Okay, char siu. Oh yeah, char siu fried rice. I definitely going sweet and sour spirit. I just had that yesterday. Cow yu egg foo young, and oh, there's that red meat too. Sour fish. Oh, sweet and sour fish, and then yeah, so much selections. Okay, so there's more. Oh, they got rice cake here too, right? So I'll take a look and kung pao chicken, spicy garlic chicken, chicken. Okay, so alright, fish. Okay. Oh, garlic eggplant with your. Okay, so now let's see. Look at the menu. So plate lunch. How does? Okay, there's a menu right up there. All right. So plate lunch. Choose up to 2 starch and 2 entrees. Okay. So that's $14. Okay. So I guess what I'll do is char siu.
I'm sorry?
And then
Oh.
I can't help it. I like sweet and sour spirits. I will take that one. I'll choose that. And then
Should be good for now.
kind of looking. Okay, maybe something little. Okay, chicken with zucchini and mushroom. Right. Okay. So, hi. So, oh yeah. So I placed my order, and then coming around, and then yeah, this is the eating area, dining. Yeah, you can take a lot of people take out, but there's also dining area. So here I am. All right, and all right. Alright, so I got my food, and oh, here's the spicy mustard. Alright, so got my chopstick. And then, they didn't have spoon, but give me a fork. So, loose rice pieces and such. And wow, I can tell this is a lot. But I already know I have my dinner, my early lunch, and then my dinner. So, oh yeah, and they were really packing it too. It was like this high, and then they pushed it down. Okay, so yeah, definitely gotta say this is, I'll categorize this as a chibis. Okay. Yeah. So you get 2 of 2. So I chose fried ramen and then fried rice. Char siu fried rice. And then sweet and sour spare ribs right here. And right here chicken with mushroom and zucchini and mushroom chicken. Okay, and it is good. Wow, can't debating. Which one to eat first? Okay, fried ramen. I never tried this before. Wow, it's surprisingly good. Oh yeah, so I got the tip, right? Yeah. So I'm not facing the camera towards the window anymore. I'm facing away from it because that's the light side. Then the food comes out dark. Yeah, I remember I did that with the rainbow driving up on Liliha. Oh no, I mean School Street, yeah. And then, yeah, because I was having the camera face the window direction, was it right? Yeah, same like right now. So now I'm facing it away from the window. Yeah, picture frame looks good. Video frame. I figure I'll have a meal, right? And then I'll do some driving today. Yeah, with the spicy mustard sauce, it's good. Good flavor. Now, sweet and sour. One of my favorite. Yes, it is good. Wow. Yeah, so they operate like a Chinese fast food. You know? They already got all the, just like Panda Express. All the food prepared. So you order online and then, you can order online, but standing, and then you choose which one they put it into the plate. And wow, they really put a lot. What's that, 14.50, 14.60? Anyway, and for that amount, you get this much. It was practically overfilling. Not practically, literally. So this is so much. This is definitely a TV. I don't think any normal person can eat all this. At least shouldn't. Wow. Fried ramen is really good. You know, would you believe it? It's my first time trying fried ramen. Wow. I definitely gotta say, when it comes to Chinese restaurant food, this is so far the top on my rating. And of course, the service was very friendly too. Well, it seems like I haven't even made much of a dent yet. Uh, you know, when they put the portions in, you know, and after stacking up, and they push it down. So I'm like, wow. I can see why this place is so popular. As such, I can say I'm very fortunate to be able to try all these good places. Yeah, they really have a nice view from the city. This hot mustard is, spicy mustard is really good. Wow. Yeah, it's good. Oh, the food here is really good. And you know, I haven't even got to half yet. really feeling it. So it kind of shows you how much they packed it, press it down, because the lid wouldn't close. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I say I'm getting full. So instead of overdoing it, I'm gonna stop, save this for dinner. Alright? And alright, so here we go. Kinda taking around, looking around. Yeah. So this is in the dining area. Right. Looking out Pensacola Street. And I think this is Waimanu Street right over here. I think it is. Yeah. So. Okay. Alright. So I said, oh, definitely good meal today. I said, thank you for watching.